In this video, I will show you how to delete Nike app account. First, open the Nike app and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then, tap the settings icon on the right-hand side. Now, scroll all the way down until you see the option that says Delete Account. Tap on that. A confirmation screen will pop up. You will need to tick the box that says, Yes, I want to delete my account. And once that's done, just tap Delete Account. And that's it. Your account will now be disabled. And Nike says it will be fully deleted within 30 days. So make sure you're really ready to let it go before confirming. That's how you delete Nike app account.